Welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a Southern classic take on macaroni salad. And here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have celery, red onion, green bell pepper, eggs, tuna and water, elbow macaroni, vinegar, sweet pepper relish, mayo, and Dijon mustard. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. So let's jump into our Southern Tuna Macaroni Salad video. Alright, my flavor squad. So we're going to jump into the video for our macaroni salad recipe. This is going to be an easy and simple recipe, straight to the point, of how to make a Southern macaroni salad. So we're going to start with our eggs first. I'm going to boil those. And I'm going to go on with 2 bottles of water. That equals out to about 4 cups of water. A little over 4 cups. And we're going to salt our water heavily. We're going to go in with 4 eggs. And we're going to go in with a little over 8 cups of water for our noodles. Alright, so a little over 6 cups of water for our noodles. We're going to also salt this water heavily. You don't want no bland noodles. We're going to bring this to a boil also. But we're going to move over to the countertop and move along with this recipe. We're going to chop up our bell peppers, our onions, and our celery. Alright, so we're over here at the countertop. We're going to use a half a bell pepper and a half of red onion and 2 celery sticks. We're going to cut it up and we're going to put it in our food processor and chop it up. Alright, so when y'all do y'all bell pepper, you want to make sure that you get out the white part because it will be bitter. And you don't want your bell pepper to be bitter. So we're just going to do a rough chop. Alright, so we have our onion, our bell pepper, and our celery cut up. Alright, so we're going to chop up our red onions, bell pepper, and celery. We're going to move on to the next step, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so moving right along for our macaroni salad recipe. We have everything out on the countertop that we're going to use. We have 4 5-ounce cans of tuna that was in water that I drained. We use a half of red onion, half of green bell pepper, and 2 celery stalks. We have sweet relish. We have Blue Plate mayonnaise. Blue Plate, the best. This ain't no sponsor video, but hey, Blue Plate, if you see this, I would love for y'all to send me some products. We have Dijon mustard. We have onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, sugar, and distilled vinegar. So we're going to add our 4 5-ounce cans of tuna into our bowl. And I must add, I remember eating this back in the days. It's so simple, yet so delicious. Like, it's one of my favorite things to eat. It's kind of like, to me, it's kind of like potato salad, but it's not potato salad, but I put it up there in that tier. Like if you're having a cookout, you're gonna either have some pasta salad, macaroni salad, or some potato salad. Can't go wrong with either one. Hey, with me being the leader of the Fat Boy Committee, I'll take all three at the cookout. You hear me? I'm just being real. I'll take all three at the cookout. No harm, no foul. And while we're working on this, we have our eggs in the background boiling. You do want to boil your eggs 15 to 20 minutes. Turn it off, and maybe you can allow it to simmer for 5 minutes, or you put it in an ice bath for 5 minutes to cool off the eggs. And voila, your eggs will peel perfect. We're still waiting on the water to boil for our noodles, but here we have our bell pepper, red onion, and our celery. We're gonna go in with some. We may not use it all, but we're gonna use enough so we can have that flavor. And it smells good already. Alright, so at this point, we have our celery, bell peppers, and onions into our tuna. We're gonna go in with some seasoning. We're probably gonna season this twice because once we add the mayo and everything else, we're gonna have to taste to make sure the seasoning is on point. And we're gonna start off with salt. And as y'all know, I do not use a lot of salt, so it's gonna be like a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. That's all the salt we're gonna put in there. For right now, we're gonna go in with black pepper, around about the same, a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. We're gonna do the same with the onion powder and garlic powder. Alright, my flavor squad, so we back. We're about to add in our relish, mayo, Dijon mustard, our sugar, and our distilled vinegar. Once we finish cooking the noodles, we're going to allow those to cool off all the way. Then we'll add it to our mixture. And whatever we need to add from there, we will add once we add the noodles. But first we're going to start out with a half a cup of sweet relish, a cup of mayo, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of white granulated sugar.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run.
And I must say, I like my macaroni salad a little bit more on the creamier side. I don't like it dry.
I'll take you so high. Yeah. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you.
Alright, so we have that mixed up. We're about to move over to the stove. I'm going to show y'all what our eggs looking like. And we're going to add our noodles into our water. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we have our eggs boiling away. And our water has just begun to boil for our noodles. We're gonna go in with 1 pound.
Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Give my heart, give my soul.
Alright, my flavor squad, so we back. We finished with our eggs and our noodles. We allowed our noodles to cool off some. We're gonna add our noodles into the bowl.
Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no. I'll do it right. We've got all night.
So we mixed our noodles into our tuna mixture. Now we're gonna just put a rough chop on our eggs. Then we will add that into the bowl, mix it up. Then whatever additional items we need for us here, we'll add it into the bowl.
Baby, let me love you.
our eggs into the party. And I use 4 large eggs.
Baby, you're my music. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you, love you, love you.
Okay, so we have our eggs mixed in. I did taste off camera. We're gonna go in with a little bit more sweet relish, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and a little bit more seasoning. We're not gonna add much salt. Probably a teaspoon of each seasoning and a teaspoon of sugar, and it'll be ready to go. So let's jump into it. We're going to add another tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to add the rest of our mixture, celery, onions, and bell pepper. 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. And the recipe will be in the description box. And a 1/2 cup of blue plate mayonnaise. And a cap full of vinegar. Alright, so we're going to mix this all in. Alright, so we're going to give it a taste. Alright, my flavor squad, so I gave y'all a close-up of it in the bowl and also in our other bowl. So I'm about to taste it. Queen doesn't eat macaroni tuna salad or tuna macaroni salad, however you want to say it. But I do, so I'm going to try it for y'all and I'm going to give y'all my honest opinion. If it's nasty, it's nasty. If it's trash, it's trash. If it's good, it's good. So let's jump into it. I'm going to give y'all the first bite. I ain't trying to drop the lid. Oh yeah. Let's jump into it. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Like my brother do. It's good. You can taste everything. The flavors marinated well together in the refrigerator. This is a winner. Winner. Southern dish. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also hype this video up. Y'all already know the saying. Pops and Queen, I'm out. Peace. And Queen said bye y'all.